Nasubukan mo na ba na makatanggap ng bill mula sa Beneco or kung taga Manila ka, Meralco, na sinisingil ka ng consumption ng electricity that happened 2 years ago? So maraming ganyan na kaso, magugulat ka na lang bakit ang electric bill mo umabot sa 100,000, yung iba milyon, kaya pala may mga back charges na ginagawa itong mga electric utility companies. Meron tayong RIDGO doctrine dito sa ating Korte Suprema. This is the case of RIDGO Tape et al. Versus Manila Electric Company. At sinabi dito sa kasong ito, ang electric company cannot arbitrarily demand payment for back charges. No? Kahit 2 years ago, kahit 5 years ago, hindi ka pwedeng singilin. Based solely na sinasabi na may defect yung metro namin kaya in-adjust namin, ito ang lumabas na bill. So you cannot do that on allegations of defective electric meter reading. As a public utility, it has the duty and technical capability to promptly inspect and defect defective electric meters. Failure to constitute is inexcusable negligence on the utility, which may risk the forfeiture of any fees or charges not originally collected from the consumer. This also applies to water bills. So, ang sabi ng Korte Suprema dito sa RIDGO doctrine, obligasyon ng utility company na i-check yung mga metro. At kung hindi ba nila na-check, negligence nila at hindi na pwedeng kolektahin yung mga back charges na yan on that ground na in-adjust yung meter, on the ground na na-repair yung meter, ito ang lumabas na bill mo for the past how many years?